Right, we are going to be doing a review on these earphones. These are made by a company called TWS, as you can see on the front. It comes in a plain white box with just a writing on the front and just says made in China on the back. That is it. So these are Bluetooth 5.0. They're stereo. They have noise reduction and echo cancellation, so you shouldn't get any feedback. Also has a voice prompt and a built-in microphone. So let's see what you get for your money, honey. You can use this to answer and end phone calls, refuse a phone call, play, pause, previous track, next track, and even wake up Google Assist, which should be quite handy if you want to do that. So let's have a look. So this is the actual charger itself. So it comes in a nice little white box with a little chrome bit on it and a little on-off button by looking at that. And then the connection for charging it up. Let's have a look inside. There they are. So that is the earphones. And I believe the way they work is they flash red and blue to pair up together, like that. So they're paired up together because they're just flashing blue. They flash red and blue to start with to pair up, and then they flash just blue to look to pair to a device. So let's see what else you get in the box. Oops, some earplugs in there. Come on, come on, come on. Get out, get out. So it comes with a USB charger, and that will just plug in your phone charger and then into that. Doesn't look like a very long lead, probably about 300mm, maybe 2. So not very long. Comes with a different size earpieces to suit ears. There's quite big ones on there. I might swap them out and go for like them ones there, middle sort of size. But yeah, first look, they look very nice. Never worn anything like this. The way I understand it is, it works on a touch system. So you, by touching it at the back, will do different things. Like 1 tap, 2 tap, will all do different things. Say you get a phone call coming through. If you do a quick touch 2 times, like so, it will either answer the phone call, or if you're already in a conversation, it will hang up the phone. Or the other one is, if you want to refuse a phone call, it's touched for 2 seconds. So you hold it down for 2 seconds and it will refuse the phone call. If you want to play some music, say for instance you're playing some music and you want to pause it, it's a quick touch 2 times. Or previous track is touch 3 times at left side. So you hit the one on the left hand side, this one here, touch that 3 times and it will play the previous track. Or the next track is on the right one 3 times. And also you can get it to do Google Assist Wake Up, which is touch for 2 seconds, or even Alexa. It also has a voice prompt, echo cancellation, noise reduction, and a built-in microphone. So, pretty good. Or it sounds pretty good. The manual, it is in English and Chinese. There you go. So it tells you everything you need to know looking at that. Tells you it's a 2.4 gigahertz frequency, up to 10 meters distance. Pretty good. So with that, I'll get my phone and we will test it. You will have to charge them up first to get them to work, because obviously they're going to need charging. You need to go to your Bluetooth devices and click on more settings. And you're waiting for TWS. Once TWS turns up, click on now. It says pairing, connecting, connected. So quite easy to do. Well, I thought it was easy anyway. So that's all paired up. So we'll get rid of that. Right, I'm going to get it to play one of my albums, this baby here, but I won't be able to let you hear the song because of copyright. So the way it works is you touch this twice to play and it's playing. And then to pause, the same again. If you want to go to next track, it's touch it 3 times. It's changed over. Next track, as they will come. So yeah, so they work quite easily. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to have a listen to them and tell you what I think. See if it's got a nice bit of bass, a nice bit of treble. Just basically hear the quality. Like I said, I can't let you hear it because of copyright, but I'm going to have a good listen and give you my personal opinion. Pause them. That's very good. I'm quite impressed. They work really easy. It's a little bit strange to get used to about, you know, touching it 2 times, 3 times, but it does work. So it definitely gives my thumbs up for working. I'm not 100% sure on the quality. They do sound a little bit, I think they're designed more for voice rather than music. So that's probably why they sound a little bit sort of, I wouldn't say tinny, you know, maybe a bit trebly is probably the best word to use. Maybe a little bit too much treble, but definitely worth £24 of anyone's money. If you're looking for something like this, they felt really comfortable in the ears, so I was quite impressed with that. I wasn't too sure. I changed it to the middle size rather than the big ones that it came on. I swapped them over and put the middle size on. So yeah, definitely gets my thumbs up. If you're looking for something, you know, at that sort of price, 24 quid, I think they're well worth it. You could go out jogging with them. It'd take a little bit of time to go like that and to get you, you know, how to work them properly. And they last up to about 5 hours of continuous recording, according to what it says on the information that I've been reading. So they should last a good jog. So with that, if you like this video, give me the thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give me the thumbs down and please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.